Students, now today we are going to discuss class 8 science heat, and today's topic is land bridge and sea bridge. So first of all, we'll discuss about what is bridge, the meaning of bridge. So breeze can be defined as a gentle wind is called breeze. Means a very gently flow of air is called breeze. Clear? So we have two type of bridge, especially the people living in a coastal areas, means seasides areas. Experience an interesting phenomena is called sea bridge and land bridge. So the people who are living in near to the sea, they can experience this sea bridge and land bridge, and which is based on the transfer of heat in air by the convection current. So if somebody asks you the question about that, what is the phenomena of land bridge and sea bridge, so you can say that it is a transferring of heat by the convection of air. Clear? So this happen as follows. First we'll discuss sea bridge. In this process take place in the during of daytime. Clear? Both the sea as well as land surface is heated up by the sun. Both sea and land also heated by the sun. The sea heated up and land slower than land because it has much higher heat capacity. Who have higher heat capacity? Sea. The water having a higher specific heat capacity. The term I used, specific heat capacity, means they need more and more heat to rise up their temperature. Clear? So land has a lower specific heat capacity than sea. Thus the temperature over the land surface increases and turn heat up air around it. So what happened? The air heat up warmer in land in compared to the sea. An expansion occurs lesser dense warm air and area around the land having a low pressure and is developed. So we can understand it by this is we have a figure. So this area is heated up, this is land, and the air rise up because it is a less dense. So due to the less density, air rise up, and the sea is also increasing their temperature, but in compared to the land lesser. So the cool air take place to the land and this hot air move toward the sea. So we can see there is a convection like that. Just look at that. So if I change the color of this, so you can easily say this is changing the convection. Clear? So what happened in sea bridge? In sea bridge you will see that they both are taking heat from the sun, but water having a higher specific heat capacity comparing to the land. So land has less specific heat capacity and warmer faster than sea. When land is heated up, clear, so the air around the land is got less denser, and we know that if the density is less, so it is start rising up. So the air around this area is rise up, and this space having a less pressure. So we know that the air is always moving from higher pressure to lower pressure. So this area having a higher pressure, this area having less pressure. So what happened? The air start moving from higher pressure to less pressure, and the air take place if the air from the sea is moving in this side, so this take place by this air, and finally it has a convection. Clear? So we can see a very warmer air is moving from land to sea. This process is called land bridge. Clear? Sorry, sea bridge. Due to difference of pressure in the air flow of pressure, the sea is slow pressure toward the land, and this flow of area is called sea bridge. Clear? So this is about the sea bridge.